Want to create royalty-free music with Suno AI? Whether you need background music for YouTube videos, podcasts, social media, or business projects, it's important to understand how to create original music and use it according to your account's licensing terms. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create royalty-free music with Suno AI in 2026. So let's get started. First, click the Create button and write an original prompt describing the type of music you want. Include details such as the genre, mood, tempo, instruments, and where the music will be used. Avoid asking Suno AI to copy or imitate a specific artist or copyrighted song. If you need background music, specify that you want an instrumental track with no vocals. If you're creating a full song, write your own lyrics or use original text rather than copying copyrighted material. Yeah, original lyrics and prompts help create more unique music. Click the Generate button and let Suno AI create your music. Once it's finished, listen carefully to make sure the result matches your creative vision. I mean, the more descriptive your prompt is, the more personalized the generated music is likely to be. Before publishing your music, listen to it carefully. If you'd like a different style or arrangement, update your prompt and generate another version until you're happy with the result. Take a moment to make sure the music fits your project. Before using your music in commercial projects, review the licensing terms associated with your Suno AI account and subscription plan. Your usage rights may vary depending on your plan and when the music was created. Understanding your license helps you use your music with greater confidence. Once you're satisfied, save your music to your library and download it if your plan allows. Keeping your prompts, lyrics, and generated songs organized makes future projects much easier. So you've successfully learned how to create royalty-free music with Suno AI, and that's how to create royalty-free music with Suno AI. By using original prompts, creating original lyrics, reviewing your music, and understanding your account's licensing terms, you can produce original tracks for a wide variety of creative projects. I mean, if you're planning to use your music commercially, always review the latest licensing terms for your account and seek legal advice if you have questions about a specific use case. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.